Ty. This is Susan stopping by with my Cadillac of all coffee makers. Just wanted to say hello and show you how beautiful my coffee maker is. Look at beautiful black chrome and clear interior. And not only does it have all these beautiful knobs that deliver me, look at this, hot coffee in the morning, but it's even got a clock. And not only do I get hot coffee in the morning, but I can also listen to satellite radio, plug into my cell phone and talk through it, and it goes 0 to 60 in 3 seconds. So just wanted to stop by and say hi to your little Daewoo coffee maker.